How to remove stains on mattress. You should follow the instructions below to remove stains from a mattress. 1. Move it. The first step in cleaning your mattress is to move it away from the bed, the walls, furniture and other material that may limit you from accessing it from all sides. 2. Removing simple stains. To remove simple stains, first make a cleaning solution by mixing 1 tablespoon laundry detergent with 1 quart cold water. Next up, dip a sponge into the cleaning solution and then rub all the stained areas in a slow, circular motion, moving to the next area when the stain disappears. 3. Removing blood stains. Blood stains can be treated and eliminated by using a mixture of 1/4 cup hydrogen peroxide with 1 tablespoon liquid dish soap and 1 tablespoon table salt. Thoroughly rub the paste into the stains and leave it to sit for some time, or until dry. 4. Cleaning urine stains. To eliminate urine stains, add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to 8 ounces of hydrogen peroxide and add about 2 drops of dish soap. Leave it for a while and then rub a dry foam made of 3 parts laundry detergent powder and 1 part water into the stains. Let this sit for some 30 minutes. Finally, scrape away the residue and then vacuum. 5. Removing other bodily fluids from your mattress. For this, you'll need to some unscented household ammonia. Be sure to open the windows before starting to clean and then use a white rag to blot the stains with the ammonia. Avoid drenching the fabric. When done, wipe the areas with a damp cloth and then sprinkle them with baking soda. Vacuum the areas thoroughly. 6. Removing stubborn stains. If you're finding it hard to get rid of some stains, use a spray bottle to spray the stained areas with distilled vinegar, and then allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. Now sprinkle on some baking soda to cover the spot, and allow the fizzing to stop before vacuuming. Wipe the area with a clean, damp cloth and then vacuum once dry. 7. Leave it to dry. Your mattress will obviously be damp following cleaning, and it's important to allow it to dry out completely before using. To hasten drying, place it in a warm area and then position some fans around it. Alternatively, use a shop vacuum to get rid of excess moisture from the fabric.